The self-proclaimed flagship killer is back, faster and better, with fancy new tech and a reimagined notch. Hi, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching GadgetMatch. Techtober is almost over, but wait, we have one more phone to show you. This is our OnePlus 6T, hands-on. The OnePlus 6T comes just 5 months after the launch of the OnePlus 6, so it's no surprise that this is just an incremental update, a refinement to an already impressive smartphone. Side by side, you'll find both phones look very similar. The frame and form factor are more or less the same, albeit just a bit thicker. Same curved back and all glass finish. Oh, and at least for now, the phone will only be available in black, either matte or glossy. If you look closely, you'll find its backside fingerprint sensor is missing. That's been replaced with an under-display fingerprint scanner, one of the biggest cosmetic differences on this phone. OnePlus is calling it screen unlock and promises unlock speeds of 0.34 seconds. Just press down on these fingerprints over here and boom, welcome to your phone. In our limited time with the device, screen unlocked worked okay, but could be better. Scroll up to the upper half of the screen and you'll find the other noticeable upgrade. Gone is the tub-shaped notch in favor of a smaller one that curves around the selfie camera. With the cutout reduced, you get even more screen real estate, an 86% screen-to-body ratio to be exact. And if the notch is not your thing, you also have the option to turn it off. Yes notch, no notch. The rest of the improvements to the OnePlus 6T have to do more with hardware and software, like how its display is brighter and more color accurate. You also get this nifty feature called reading mode, which turns the display to black and white like you were reading off an e-reader, but in high res. The camera, of course, has been improved too. While hardware remains the same, software algorithms have also been tweaked to improve photo quality and performance. Improvements have specifically been made in the area of night shots, portraits, and selfies. A new feature called Night Scape promises better low-light photos with less noise. Here, take a look at some photos we shot around Brooklyn. Since its inception, OnePlus has been known for offering flagship specs at a more affordable price points and a close to pure Android experience that's fast and snappy. The same holds true to the OnePlus 6T, and this time around they've sought to improve that experience further. The phone still runs on Qualcomm's top-of-the-line processor with either 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM, and now with double the amount of base storage, and a bigger battery that you can top up quickly with its bundled fast charger. Notice it's no longer called dash charging, but it's the same tech. But that's just on the hardware front. A software improvement called Smart Boost supposedly knows which apps you use the most and then stores that app's data in RAM so that they boot faster. For even more screen real estate, you can turn off the on-screen buttons and use gestures to navigate the phone. Swipe up to go home, swipe up and hold for multitasking, and swipe down for the quick settings panel. Soon, OnePlus is promising even more features, like long pressing on the power button to bring up Google Assistant, which is a novel way of introducing that feature without introducing an additional hardware button. Speaking of extra buttons, the phone still has our favorite alert slider, which lets you mute the phone with a quick tug. But looky here, they've removed the headphone jack. The OnePlus 6T goes on sale in select markets, including the US, the UK, and India starting November 1st. The 6GB plus 128GB model retails for $549 US. Also in the US, it will be exclusively available via T-Mobile, which is good news if you want to get that phone on some kind of installment plan. We're also told that the OnePlus 6T is also certified to work on Verizon. So, is the OnePlus 6T your gadget match? We're working on both an unboxing and a review video. Those will be coming your way soon, so to make sure you don't miss any of that, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post those videos. Follow us on social media for all the fun stuff, and as always, make sure that you make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video. From here in New York, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.